I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you want to stop your Apple TV subscription from automatically renewing, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple device. This is where you can manage all your subscriptions. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This is essential for managing subscriptions. Step 3. Select Subscriptions. Scroll down and tap on Subscriptions. Here, you will find a list of all your active subscriptions, including Apple TV. Step 4. Choose Apple TV subscription. Find and select your Apple TV subscription from the list. This will take you to the subscription details page. Step 5. Turn off auto renewal. On the subscription details page, look for the option to turn off auto renewal. Toggle the switch to disable it. Make sure to confirm any prompts that appear. Remember, if you don't see the option to turn off auto renewal, it may be because your subscription is already set to expire soon. I hope this helps you manage your subscriptions better. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.